comfortable. Yeah.
Good view, man.
That's it. Today I wish they had today Friday, like Wednesday and Wednesday again. You see the ships and what? It's a regular.
Yeah.
Cruise ship and a bath.
Yeah, nice view, man.
Nothing for black here.
Rich man view. Yeah.
That the Lord has made. Castle Collection has come forth once again. We're doing it big.
Boy, what do you man? You better shut up and tap in eyes.
I collect money.
Tap in eyes, man. You know win already. What you make so much nice for? Sure.
Alright.
So we can't hold two, sir, right?
Put up your money up. Put up your... Yeah, right there now, the Castle Collection. Right here.
We're not getting money.
Wonderful. Oh my God.
So at this moment, I'm so proud to be sharing this opportunity to be presenting a gift for our Castle Collection oil for skin promotion. That was a success and a really super mega hit on the internet and the spaces and the super and the social media platforms. So today I'm presenting to the winner, Cashapa, his prize of cash and a Castle the Collection. Thank you, sir.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. And what do you have to say about that, my friend?
Voila. First of all, I want to big up Father God. I want to big up my team. I never really win nothing in life, you know, but I want to big up Castle Collection. Then give me an opportunity to come enter the competition and somehow, somewhere, I will come first place. You understand?
Yeah.
It pay off. Big up all of my run-ups, everyone will enter the competition. Big up on yourself and do a good job. You understand? We all do a good job. And as me tell you, the product Castle Collection aisle, this was the competition, and I tell you, it's a good product. I feel emotional like I cry. I never really win nothing yet in my life, but you understand?
Cry if you want to cry, man. Let it out. Let it out. If you want to cry, cry. If you want to cry.
Father, you want and big up yourself, and I want to big up Mr. Mara. Oh God, she had the fire.
Yes.
She had the fire, the whole
She make everything up.
organization. Want bigger up. You understand? So, how you feel, my boy? Oh God, man. I'm feeling delighted because at first, I really win something in my life. As I tell you, we are get a youth, you know, and we win something. I feel appreciated.
Yes, I can't hold this everybody.
No, will I know you hold that. I tell them I want to big up again. I want to big up.
Yo, hold this speed up. Hold this speed up top, man.
Hold this.
Hold this speed up top.
Hold this.
I
want to big up the people them where vote for me.
Look here now.
On WhatsApp, on Facebook.
No man, you can't drop
FaceTime.
If you drop a goal like this, brother.
I want to big up the WhatsApp people them. Big up everybody. Big up everybody. Thank you very much.
Yeah, his speech done.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm secure what you have.
Why man I go in the jacket? Thank you. I'm out.
What about your
Oh
chin?
God, you left
Guys, I'm rip.
I hear that.
Why me get one in a me?
No, for me.
Come out it, no.
No, for me. No, for me.
That's my one.
No, for me. I film one that
put
then. On the shirt and take a picture.
Yeah, man, that sounds nice to man.
Yeah.
Look,
Yo, what you money? Glad you know you out, man.
Hey, put it in your pocket, dog. Boom! Yo, brother!
Yo, that's full of US dog.
We are in a, what you call it?
Yeah, alright, man, I can make some nice.
Right, I make recognize it. Put the show you what I got.
No, brother, put on bully, man. Later, you put on the shirt.
No, I have to put on this.
Later, you put on the shirt, brother.
Don't take a picture in the shirt.
You're going to shirt. You're going to
Take a picture in the shirt.
No, I have to take a picture in her
Take a
shirt.
picture in her shirt. I don't talk to him.
No, man, brother.
I put on the shirt.
Hold on, I mean them we are
I have more.
I mean them we are alive.
I'm not too busy.
We have to go to more competition and make them win because they not give win a break.
Look at the hand put it back.
Nervous.
You know, ease off a winner. You want a security cash up on?
He's nervous. He can't pull. Pull it from me, Jack.
I'm not getting this back here if we go in. Next one.
And the envelope.
Just make me glimpse one of them, no man. Remember no move, sir. Let me glimpse one, no man. Make your glimpse, sister. Come, my team. I'm not going to look. I'm like...
Lock up the boy.
Pay $100. Pay $100. Holy pot.
Hey boy, move
When they put $1 on the front to blaspheme, holy pot.
Congratulations, brother.
Me not telling no lie. Congratulations. We like how we care off. Hey, you see Castle Collection, biggest brand in the foreign.
Wicked.
Eh? You know see how we advertise it?
Well, man.
Hey,
Talk up,
you know see how we advertise it?
Well, no, give me
Talk up TV1 family.
Cash up.
Cash up. Cash that.
Cash up. Cash up.
Cash out.
Cash up.
Cash out.
Cash up.
Cash out.
Cash up.
Cash out.
Cash up. Cash up. Cash up. Cash up. Cash up. Yeah.
Castle bones.
Castle bones. Castle bones.
Hey, man.
Nice.
Oh my. Yo, ball and done, no brother.
You know me no like.
Cash up. Wall up your strength.
You know me no like.
Wall up
You
your
see how me like
strength.
you? To me glad. Me bust a ball.
No,
I mean, wall up your stress, big man. Wall up your stress. Nothing wrong with crying, dog. If you wanna cry, just let it out. Just let it out. Let it out. Give me last speech now, a feeling speech. Yeah, man. Him ball and done.
Tell Mr. Mars, say God no. You me feel emotional.
Yeah.
Nobody listen to woman, brother. Let go stress.
No one tell mommy say God know you. You do a good job.
Looking at camera.
You raise me good.
Yeah, man.
Oh God.
You know, some want big up Annie Tucker and encourage you, you know.
Tell her forget me.
Just come in, brother. All the feet, brother.
Let it go, man.
I want to stress
Oh God.
Yeah, man, people. I say come down. We're there for the presentation and we are all of vibes. You understand?
We appreciate everything, man. Every minute, every second, every time.
Boy, I can take care of it.
Yeah, man.
My private place, that.
Yes. Did you take your pressure pill, sir? You know what I say? The pressure not too bad me today, but I'm just excited, yeah, man. Yeah.
And that's the pressure, yo.
It's not go weird now, whole heap of time, you know. We are going to sound fest and then go.
No, you have to wear and promote the brand.
But that's what it's for.
You know what?
Yeah, I know, you know, me always just love. When me get sick, I'm not really. Now, white pants, now white shoes ready, you know.
Yeah.
Plan feet.
I want bomber for washing.
The girl go, hey, calm down.
So hold on. I will next go collect money. Somebody else go sit down inside here, you know.
Go sit down. Call him. Oh, are the actor girl named Shayna, you know?
Yeah.
Actress. Yes. Call her, no? Call her phone.
No.
She needs a shine her way forward.
Alright.
Yeah, you know what? Better you give in a somebody to in our red
Your
blood.
name.
Yeah, we collect it go gear. Yeah, the girl that we collect it go gear.
The girl.
One of the girls, yeah.
I want to say thank you. Nah, you know, it's so overwhelming.
Yeah, was.
I said cry hard.
Castle Collection. Mr. Mar, you don't know what you did. You changed my life. You know, next time you're doing this thing, I hope you reach a foreign.
Next time you know, next time a different.
But you're gonna be there because you're the champion
In the
and you're
competition.
gonna hand over the trophy to our next person. To our next person. All right. Well, we'll see. We'll see. But overall, on a serious note, me really appreciate this. I understand. I never really win nothing in life. I win something now. I really feel as now a 36-year-old, I really win something. Tell her my sister them this time, go laugh till then week.
That is it.
You understand?
More crying till I go on, eh?
In a video, not to you never cry video.
You gotta take away one back.
Oh, Lord.
But you know what I mean? I appreciate it, man. Really,
Yeah,
really.
man, the boss appreciate it.
But you wanna see me this in my hand, you know? You know must say envelope they come.
We see it every day.
I don't want a whole heap of people up a country.
That's
Listen,
why
I want to tell some of my country people them when they really...
Yeah, that's why we are seeing the right side of you.
Come on, my virgin. You see some people up a country when I believe in a way. And
Cheers to life first.
yes.
Cheers to life.
I don't really want... I don't know about that. I don't know whole heap of money. No pressure me.
Yeah, I just
When I don't see me like I don't know about that pressure.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
so go up on the media. So
Yes.
no pressure cash.
I don't know about that pressure.
Yeah.
You understand? But my loyal fans and supporters across the globe.
Tell the camera. Tell
Oh,
them to thank you very
God.
much.
It's like if you're talking. No, no, no.
You have to watch later on the back, you know, because you see your foreign turn up, you see you don't winning money.
Jump
You know
over
what,
Castle
him picky
Collection
money.
right now and support
Cash up.
www.castlecollection.com. Check out everything over there.
We're not left out platter, man. We're not left out platter. None that. You see, we team is a dedicated team. And we
Dedicated. Me know
Yeah.
say you kind of excited.
You understand?
Bring it on over there, son.
Dedicated
Bring
team.
it on over there.
You say we're dead.
Yeah, no.
Dead man dead.
That's what I mean.
But
Yeah, man.
you understand that we support one another, so
Yeah.
we are with this. You understand?
Delicate.
You understand?
We're not
Yeah,
dead.
man, you're delicate.
Yeah.
you know,
We're live.
One talk up TV, never two,
One.
three. That is it.
Yeah, man, we're not left for tax.
Yeah.
That is it.
The boss.
No, we're not left out tax.
And don't play, man. Big up yourself if you do, you're not there.
Falan, big up
Oh,
yourself.
don't watch me, Camo.
Every team just remember, you know, one G, you know.
I lie, man. Let's share that. I'm sharing that time.
Make him get some of the money.
I'm sharing that.
I'm a virgin this man. I'm going nowhere, man. I'm a virgin.
You want cash over like thousands, them man. You go share later. Yeah, he must stop on tree.
Yo, you know, say you're informer. Alright,
That's
let's free up you.
I think a joke we are making.
Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? That one.
Hold it. Don't forget that.
No, man. I feel say we're not getting out of that.
Somebody keep me high, but me I deal with that.
After that, I can do.
Scoreboard that you see.
Number one, I am.
You see?
Your husband put up it.
See what you go now.
Representing our second place prize award to the hard-working actress Shana. Out and good. No partner there, eh? So we had a Castle collection for coconut oil for skin presentation. We had a tournament going on the social media platforms. And she came in a whopping second. Hundreds of thousands of likes and shares. And also hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Yeah, man, can't go with you, man.
Alright. Can't take it back. I saw it go. But congratulations, and I wish you all the best. And we're looking forward to a very long and continuous work with Talk Up TV and the family, eh?
Right,
And
that's all.
Castle Collection.
Big up.
Rome.
And I want to say thank you very much. I really do. I really do appreciate these hundreds of thousands of dollars from Castle Collection. First and foremost, big up Father God himself again.
Go back in that.
Big up Tax, Bossy,
Go back close.
Talk Up TV1, big up all of my teammates them. Well, the competition has come to an end, and thanks to everybody who watched me, win couple hundreds of thousands of dollars in my envelope from Castle Collection. People wanna see me, don't stress me out. Don't beg me no money. Yeah, I'm putting my money there. I don't want to enjoy.
Come, have a drink.
Yeah. No, don't beg me no money. You see, I see people them whenever we vote for me. You see people them when they vote for me, you don't beg me no money when time you see me. You see one them when they vote for me. You don't have to beg me still, but me go no if me soon before money done.
Guys, we're gonna share. Oh my god!
We are gonna share. Liberty come true carelessly. So, me I go put up my winning car. If Kasha think him I win next year, me I go up. Kasha, let me tell you this as a friend. If you feel say you win the competition next year, me come second. Me I go up. If no kill no come for a little box. Me want me money. Me want me money. Me want me money. Give me me money. Nico thief. Give me money. Nick, have me oil. No. I know for me oil this, you know. I know for me oil that. Me I carry in the bag. Me I come Britney, me I put up this in my bag.
Gosh, anytime you want the oil, just go over Castle Collection. That.
Help for you
And you
the
get
oil.
all of them.
Me no need
Get a
help for
picture
you
with the
the
first and the
oil.
second place.
So, get a picture with me and me.
I remember to spend that money.
Want more sister. More money out there now. I can you alone to pay the Kentucky bill. So that people not collect the money too.
Yes.
Hold on, excuse me. Hold on, excuse me, big brother, excuse me, get a seat right there. Excuse me, big brother.
And the second press.
Get a seat right there. Calm down your legs. Calm down your legs. You got someone else is gonna sit there with
Let
you.
me get the phone out.
Big brother, calm down yourself.
Let me get the phone out.
Yes, big brother, calm down. Yes. Did you take your pressure pill, sir?
You know what I say? The pressure not too bad on me today, but I just excited there, man.
I got that pressure, yo.
This now go weird now, whole heap of time, you know.
Guy, why?
Weird go sound fest and then
No, you have to wear and promote your brand.
but me that's what it's for.
You don't want to mash up.
Yeah,
You don't want to mash up.
me always just love. When me get sick, I mean not really.
You have to wear the shirt.
Now I want white pants, I want white shoes ready, you know.
Yeah.
Black zine.
I want bomber for wash. I'm bomber.
So hold on. How next go collect money? Somebody else go sit down side of you, you know.
Come from actress Shayna.
Call him.
Oh, name Shayna.
No, the actor. Actress.
Yes.
What you doing?
She not.
See her here.
Got her phone.
She didn't turn up today.
No look so.
She's a
Alright, then we'll give the money to people who turn up.
Alright.
She don't come, she don't want it.
Better you give in a somebody to in our red
Your
blouse.
name.
You know what red blouse?
Yeah, the one that we collect you go give her. Yeah, that girl that we collect you go give her.
girl.
One
The
in
girl
our red
there?
blouse, yeah.
I want to say thank you. No, you know, it's so overwhelming.
Yeah, worse.
I said quite hard.
Just a collection. Mr. Mar, you don't know what you did. You changed my life. But you know, next time you're doing this thing, I hope we reach a foreign.
Next time you know win. Next time a different body they win. But you're gonna be there because you're the champion.
In the competition.
And you gotta hand over the trophy to a next person.
Alright, well,
Yes.
we'll see. We'll see. But overall, on a serious note, me really appreciate this. You understand? Nah, like, I never really win nothing in life. Win something now, I really feel. Now, a 36-year-old, I really win something.
You first. First in everything.
Yeah, my
is it.
sister them this time go laugh till they weak.
That is it.
You understand?
You were crying till I go on it.
In a video, not to you never can video.
You not take away what I
Oh, laptop.
But you know what I mean? I appreciate it, man. Really.
Yeah, man, the boss appreciate it.
But you wanna see me this in a man, you know? We no must say envelope they come.
We see it, we video it.
But I want a whole heap of
That's
people
why-
up a country.
That's why we are sit
I want to
down.
tell her some of my country
That's
people
why we are sit down
whenever
right
really.
side of you.
Yeah,
That's why we are sit down right side of you. We not left.
Come on, my virgin. You see some people up a country when don't believe in a way. And
Cheers to life first.
yes.
Cheers to life.
I don't really want Nobody I don't know whole heap of money, no pressure me.
Yeah. I
When I don't see me like nobody pressure.
Yeah. You know, say go up on the media, so no pressure cash.
So nobody pressure.
I say, yo,
You understand? But my loyal fans and supporters across the globe.
Tell the camera, tell them, say thank you very much.
Should I come off talking? I don't want to.
Yeah, you understand?
Don't want to.
My loyal supporters.
Jump over Castle Collection right now.
And support.
www.castlecollection.com. Check out everything over there.
We not left out latter, man. We not left out latter. None talk. You see, we team is a dedicated team. And we
Dedicated. Me know say you kind of excited.
Yeah, you understand? Dedicated team.
You say dead.
Yeah, no.
Dead man dead.
You see what I mean? But
Yeah, man.
you understand that we support one another. So,
Yeah.
are with this. You understand?
We delicate.
You understand?
We're not dead.
You're delicate, you know.
We're live.
One
Delicated.
Talkup TV, never tell me.
One.
When I left for stocks.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
No, we're not left out tax.
And don't think that big up yourself if you do
Oh, no, watch out, me camo.
Yeah, you will see that.
I'm going to say we are G now. We go show the
Yo.
I'm 5 months in Amis.
I lie, man. Like, share that. I'm sharing that time. I'm sharing that time.
I'm a virgin this man. Yo, I'm going over, man. I'm a virgin.
Yo, you know, say you're in farm.
Camera of the year. Camera of the year.
Alright, let's go free up you.
I got joke we make.
Yeah, man, you know, say that was the first place winner, Gasha Park,
You got a video
outside, and I'm very happy right now.
Oh, God, man.
And Shane out there, so right now, I feel time next, so fear
I want to
time
catch
next.
an hold up in stress.
No,
Catch an hold up in
me
stress.
didn't try hold up the bus.
No hold up the stress. We have a back.
No, man,
No, man, we do a presentation over there, so you know.
that's the way you feel, say, you know, it's good work, the camera.
Britney, what up, Shayna?
No, man, the camera is rotating.
Presentation spot.
Oh.
Me I said no.
Huh?
So see you can lock the tape for your finger down.
You catch it?
Britney catch it.
I'm going to bust a prayer and I'm going to
Is that far from this? So?
Yeah, well, maybe a
Yes, I'm going to put down the eye.
Oh, this one we going to get.
Now come down to
Yo, how you feel, me killer? How you feel? How you feel? Bless up. Yo, look there. Look there.
Don't go and chop it. Don't go and.
You see envelope and blow, but you see Shane like a bird. We got.
No, move. What you say?
I suppose if you Shane I want to put like a bird. I guess I want to
Oh God.
Yeah, boy, close to me.
Yeah, Shane, I send them.
Oh, God.
Yeah, man, me go send them.
Yo, hey, yo, chop it.
What do you say?
Yeah, man, give me my eye, Shane. I feel me a
I don't want this, cause me no touch none at all.
two fingerprints in my eye.
I'll talk to you, space. When me answer what you want, I said, no, I'm putting that one there.
You see me, I'm from a country, man. Watch your road. Hey, me see you playing and say watch your road. Yeah, everything up on the tour.
Oh, you know.
If it's a road, if it's a camera, come. Thank God, you know, lick you.
Yeah, chop it, yeah, chop it. No, watch your road.
Yeah, watch your road.
And I'm playing a come.
Played.
Oh, God. Sorry, man.
That pass me. Chop down the speed of that pass me. If not, I lick you. How we don't see a job?
No, I understand. You might watch your car. Yeah, actually, I don't understand the sound, man, up in our ears.
No, sometimes I jam, but you have a little sound. No, because sometimes I jam, you hear the sound there.
Remember the right thing then.
You know, tell
Come, I drink I drink water.
Yeah, because I'm a
got KFC later. Yeah, cash out got KFC. We got just on chicken.
No, USA boss.
What about trust? I just see some win one package ready.
We know it's not for their money.
No, we not say.
Yo, we not doing the man money, you know.
No, but we can wash on plate.
What do this man come like say a problem I want we go look.
Yo, what do you man?
Hey,
Man, good brother, you roll to the gym, friend, first place winner.
yo, no cut.
Yo.
Star
In a Benz and Beamer?
Yo, man, a movie star.
Come here, Mr. General. Hello.
Let me tell you this as
Oh, this up, man. Shut up, piss ya, man.
now in competition next year, me come second. Me a go for if no kill no come feel little box. Me want me money.
Yo.
Me want me money. Me want me money.
What squad you go?
Give me my money.
I know, me no look what I go have in a envelope. Yo, yeah, them the sick now, me no know.
You know, keep up with it.
Want play again?
Where's your foot down there again?
Tomorrow this is.
Today I feel up here.
Yeah, that's how we like it.
Yo, foot down there again, man.
Remember say in a real life, you see the still.
Fuck up, man. Let me see that day, my friend.
No,
Yeah,
no,
me tell you, say,
no,
yeah,
I was first place and I get straight.
Alright.
Striker.
Oh, I tell you that, so 6 o'clock, I will not fuck up here, mission neither.
No, hear me now. For me, Virgin I come. People don't be themselves for me now.
Oh, God, we not fuck up here, mission.
No, man. I will ask this for the man. But you tell them,
Right now,
tell them to buy 7
fish
o'clock.
fry tonight, you know.
Yeah.
Brittany.
Yo.
Look here to the collection. Goat milk soap. Did I tell them about this one? I don't wash your face with this one, nice and clean and cool. Guess what? We just get one case of the collection coconut oil and then swap it. And then swap it. We just get the goat milk soap. People I talk. When you use this, you look like you're bleach, you're clean, and you're nice. You don't need to get one. Kesha Park, you get one too. I got milk soap. You didn't just get one just now.
I'm show them. I'm not getting my girl again. But you're me I say. This is the next product we go run with. You hear me?
Yeah, the goat milk. The goat
I see
milk.
Kesha touch it on TikTok. I don't want to know.
So when you not skip it, yeah. I ask we say if a milk with beard in make your skin smooth, so yes, a milk with beard in. This is the goat milk soap from Castle Collection. I can show the people, I don't know joke. Let me open it and show you. Let me show you guys. Look. See, it's goat milk. You see it? Goat milk. We cherish that soup to the bone because guess what? I did have one already and I use it. Alright, person I left me because liquor can't done and I can't hungry and the whole of the collection product them in the so. And the people them are giving US then the inside, so I don't go with
Come in. Second place, I'm first place in our bus.
You want them massive coming.
That vehicle are loaded with a tax fee.
God.
Thank you for
Big up yourself, my general. I'm more respect here. Hey, me not ready yet to that. Me not ready yet. We can't stay 1 extra for.
No. I got cash up and spend some money.
I mean, I can see go lock so if they want.
Make it up.
Alright. When we go close the gate.
Alright, I will do.
Winners celebrate together.
Tell the boss, little more again.
Together. Alright.
Respect your
Alright, people, we are leave. Presentation is over. So, watch. Presentation is over, so this is the place we're leaving.
From the window.
Let's start from
Window.
winner. Miss Winner. Now look at me and Cash Park thing in I notice I don't know what I'm put.
Hey, we time.
Put respect for our winner. Where is champion?
Yo!
Up there, so.
I'm in the front there.
Look up on the last floor up there.
That's a nice up.
Yo!
That's when we go in and change the girl.
Fix it turn off the camera for you down there, so.
Give me a light there, my boy. I don't cologne more. Let me get a spray off.
But think of that to what say you give, so you know.
Take a spray off. Take a spray off.
That's how we see what Chichi and Black has.
Hello everyone. Put the camera up. Hello everyone, Chaplin is here. The whole talkuptalkuptv1 is here. Run.
Behave yourself and go on. You know, you can't get you. The bother make people in video, man. I can't bother enough video. You know, make no sense.
Yeah. Let me say. What you?
No one outside of me.
Ziki, go for them. Rome. I think that's easy.
Look tight. Outside of here, man. Look tight.
Master God.
Oh, General, I am here.
So when you get you?
No, please, I'm this one I call him.
Assistant them.
No.
I tell you that they say, better go cook buy chicken and cook. So they make you money and go about you.
Can't make the policeman buy if you see him.
Me no go in there.
We go with the killing fish and get it in there. That video?
That tape. We no rape. Yo. So tell me something, you know. Remember, say me fully done, so I'm not bright. So all of you are supposed to go so.
Nice. What? One 6 big deal. Huh? 6 big deal, man.
No, you can't tell me nothing. I'm not sure do her. See, barbecue, no wing here, baby. No wing, them too liquor. The wing, them too small.
Get you know.
Get you one. No, drive through one of that side. That's why I have to stand up and wait.
I'm gonna get you.
Alright. See, the hold on, man. How long are they saying now? Tell the girls you're $2.99 now.
She know, she reached them, you know what?
No, other girl I make sure I get through. You see how she do with it? Don't hurry her.
No.
I can't.
Make a go buy soup. Make sure.
I know me order,
$2.99 this. Ah, chill.
Alright. Hold on. I'm not alone, boy. Wait. Count how much something in there. In him chicken. Count. No. Count how much in there.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, one few. You know, count good. Look, yo, look, it's on a straight barbecue. Straight barbecue in a one. How much in that? 4?
Yeah.
4?
Yeah.
Alright. So how much drinks if we get? 9?
9, yeah.
Oh.
We get 9 drinks.
No, a 6.
You think I alone drink fruit punch or is I buy fruit punch cheap people?
Fruit punch more, fruit punch.
I love your cola.
So the baby.
Wow,
No.
just drinks or red drinks up our place, man. No good.
Alright, I'm a friend. Thank you. Here?
Happy New Year when it comes.
No, he gone already, but you know he idiot. No papi show you out.
Alright, thank you.
Yo, cash up park. Yo, food ready, my boss. Kuma! Hey, you alright? I feel we play